How to kill ants with cornstarch. Ants play an important role in our environment as they are one of Earth's garbage cleaners. As helpful as they are in cleaning up food crumbles or animal remains, no one wants ants invading their home or garden area. There are many chemical products to use to help eliminate ant populations, but these aren't always safe to use around children or pets, nor are they good for the environment. Organic methods exist that allow you to keep your family, pets and the environment safe while ridding yourself of ants. Things you will need: cornstarch, vacuum cleaner, extension cord, bucket, dishwashing detergent, water, boiling water. Pour cornstarch over the ant infestation area. Use enough to completely cover the ants. Vacuum up the cornstarch and the ants, and allow the ants and cornstarch to sit together in the vacuum bag for a few minutes. If the infestation area is outdoors, use an extension cord to reach the area. Mix a few squirts of dishwashing detergent into a bucket of tap water. Pour the soapy mixture over the ant trail. This will remove the scented trail the ants follow back and forth to the infested spot. Pour boiling water into ant hills to exterminate the ants at the source. Tips: warnings. Clean up food crumbs or spills. Ants work hard to locate food sources and constantly return to the same sources. Unsealed areas of your home or foundation create a new home space for ants. Seal with caulk or another appropriate material.